Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to be fitting some gravity boost hoses. Now it's not a performance mod, it's like for longevity. Do you know what I mean? Because obviously I've had these hoses, the original hoses on my car, since 2014, so that's around what, 7-8 years now. It's been on the car. I believe it's time to change it, so we are going to be changing it now. Let's go. Now they're coming all the shapes and all of that. I ain't got the clamps because the clamps are already on it. Now the reason why I'm changing it as well is because, as you can see, over time it just kind of comes nice. Cool. So we undid this hose and we're gonna do that little one there, and then we got the little cold side goes all the way along there, and then yeah, it should be good. But yeah, let's pop this off, replace it. Rightio, so we got the new hose here, we've got the old hose here, mate. Now what we're gonna do is put the new one on, yeah, and take the old one off. Well, I really did that, but alright, cool. So basically this ain't right for any like performance mods, it's basically just for like longevity and just maintenance mods, isn't it? Because obviously you can see this is getting a bit stressed. It's rubber tends to crack over time, and you know, don't want to lose no boost. So replace your hoses, guys, replace them. So I'm gonna slap this here, so this should fit just like so. It should be calm like that. Yeah. Just remove this hose. There's a new one going on. Yeah. And then obviously this would fit up sort of like so. This should be like this. You know what I mean? Ah, shit. But yeah. I got one hand. Yeah, I literally got one hand, so I'm gonna show you when I finish fitting that one still. Second hose on, looking decent. Yeah, so we literally just removed this pipe here. I'm gonna put this one on here. There's old pipe right there. We can put this one on, put this one on there. It's not too bad. That's what it looks like. We got that one up there that goes to the turbo. So you guys watched the video. Thank you very much for watching the video. How much time did I say video? Twice, innit? Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will be dropping a new video next week. I believe I should be fitting my my boost controller. I can't. Well, I'm gonna have to find that. Well, I'll be fitting that next week, so if you tune in. It's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace. I am rusty as fuck. I don't know how to do intros or outros, man. I didn't even know how to film videos, man. It's been so long. This is what happens when you come away from YouTube. Yeah, I'm leaving this in the video, but yeah, I said bye already, so fuck off.